Hey guys, Kim from STEDI here. I'm going to show you the installation of our Rhino-Rack bracket on Rhino-Rack's Pioneer 6 platform. The installation of our Rhino-Rack system is a very simple installation. It'll take you up to 10 to 20 minutes to install, requiring only your basic hand tools. So Rhino-Rack have got a new addition to their Pioneer range. This is the Pioneer 6. It incorporates a slimmer profile front and rear with additional channels, along with an air guide that sits between the planks. Now I'm just going to show you today how to incorporate our existing bracket with the new platform. So with the new Rhino-Rack Pioneer 6, incorporates these additional channels and along with this air guide here. So simply there's two latching levers and we can just squeeze them in and pop the corners off. Now to remove the air guide, there's a little slot here. You get something with some leverage, so you can either use a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool. I'll still use a trim tool here today. And we kind of get into that section there and try to wiggle our way through. So it does take a little bit of force to pop that off, but once it's out, we can just push it down and remove it. Okay, so once the air guide is off, we can start prepping our bracket. So included in our kit is the original channel nuts, which were made for the older platforms. As you can see, with the release of the Pioneer 6, there is no wide insert to actually slide these in now. So these essentially don't fit. You are required then to use the Swift lock system that Rhino-Rack have created, which will drop directly into the channel. We'll grab our STEDI Rhino-Rack bracket. Obviously this is set up for forward facing with the extensions and the stabilizer. So today we just pop that in through. Okay, so once that's there, you can kind of move the channel nuts where it needs to be. Grab one of the screws along with the washer. So we can hand tighten for now once we get the desired length, once the light bar is on. So when it gets that tightened there, we can just hold it in place and then adjust for the length. So once we get the other side on, we can fit our light bar. So once everything's tightened down and you've got your length of light bar on, we can just pretty much reinstall this by tightening everything up and then putting our corner cap back on, as so. And that's the installation of our Rhino-Rack bracket.